Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these adorable teardrop earring using the dollar bead box for April of 2025. The only thing I used one of my copper ear wires because I kind of liked the copper with these beads right here. So I have the fire polish beads, the 4mm in both kinds, and then I have this one gorgeous bead that they had, and I just want to make sure it's not too bright here. I just opened up my window. Okay, and then I used some of the little seed beads like this. So this is a lot easier than it looks. Oh, and I'm using some dragon thread. So just the 20 meters, size 6. It is a little on the slippery side. That's why I don't normally use it. I'm more of a wildfire girl. I like this better, but I wanted to use this up. I know everybody loves this, so I thought I would try it. And where do I have it here? I have a threading needle and okay, sorry about that. And I have a threading needle here. And I wanted to let you know that I have a coupon code for Dollar Bead Box, BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave a link below. So the way I started this, okay, so I have 18 of these gorgeous beads and then 2 of the coppery ones, and then 1 of these. And then I'm using like 5 of these seed beads. Okay, so I'm gonna start this. I kind of lay it right there so you can see it. I'm gonna start by taking 16 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bring those down, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so now I'm going to bring this, move these out of the way a little bit, and I'm going to bring these all the way down. And this is just a really easy pair of earrings. So there's some of a tail left there. So I'm going to go and tie it like this, and then I'm going to do one more like that. Okay, so I have that. Now I'm going to go through here like 4 or 5 of the beads. Hold on 1 second. I don't want to, I have about a wingspan of thread. I always put extra on here. And I'm just gonna go like, get all the way through there. So here's where that is. I'm gonna go, hold on 1 second, I'm gonna go halfway down. So I'm gonna go back through 1. So you could see where that is right there. I'm gonna take this string, I'm gonna cut this off. And I'm only going through it once the first time because I do go through it a couple extra times as I as I do this. Okay, so we're coming out through the left side. So now I'm gonna take a couple seed beads and I'm gonna do 1, 2 seed beads. I'm gonna do 1 of the copper beads, and then I'm gonna do the ear wire and bring that there like that. Then I'm gonna do copper bead again and 2 more seed beads. Bring that down and bring that totally into view here. And I'm going to turn it this way. So it's coming out of this seed bead. So then I'm going to go down through this seed bead. I'm going to go through it again once I get up there again. So it will be reinforced. So I'm going to bring this. So it kind of looks maybe a little odd shaped at first, but as I go through it, it will end up being reinforced. Okay, so now we are, I'll go down here. So now we are halfway through down here. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to take this bead, the big bead, this back, and one of the seed beads. Go and drop that. This always gets caught on the corner of my mat. I'm going to drop this all the way down like this. I pick this up. So now when I go back and I reinforce it, I'm going to skip this seed bead because I went through it once because we're kind of using it as a stopper bead. And I'm going to go through that. And then you see how it's coming out that side. I'm going to go back through this side. And go through all the way up there. And pull this. Hold on one second. Let me get this done here. And we have it, there we have it like this. We pull it kind of tight. Now, so here is the earring. So now I'm going to go back and reinforce this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go through 5. Make sure there's no snags in it. Go through that. And now I'm going to go up through here again to reinforce. Oops, sorry that I was in camera. Go back through here and reinforce like that. And I'm going to go back down through here, back down through the seed beads, and reinforce again. Just go through as many seed beads. Okay, so here we have it like this. Now I'm going to go back through these. I'm going to go back down and then go down through the bottom one. And then go through this. Okay. So there it's coming from that. Now I'm going to go through the seed bead once. And then go up through here. And then I'm going to go through this side again. Back up to the other side. This. Okay. Look how cute that's looking. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just do a few knots here. Because then I'm going to go through it a couple more times, or at least one more time. So I kind of make that circle there. And then I bring this up. Then when it gets closer, I make sure that it snags it there. Then I'm going to go in through here and up. And I can go up through here. And I'm going to skip that there. Skip the seed beads and that. Go back down through half of here. Let me get this going. So here we have it like this, and then I'm going to do a double one. Wait till I get closer. I'm going to pull that, and then I'm going to go down through here one more time. especially if you sell your jewelry, you want to make sure that it's very secure. You know, you want to make sure that your jewelry is will last. So when people buy your jewelry, they know that it will last for years and years. Okay. So I'll put it through these a couple more times. 1, 2, 3. Come through here. And then through here. And then I'm going to make sure it doesn't snag. I'm kind of putting it down as I'm bringing that through. So here we have this right here. Now I'm just going to take this. I'm going to cut this so, you know, there's a couple different knots in there. And I think these are so cute. Look at how cute these earrings are. They're just the perfect little dangle earrings. You know, you could do a lot of earrings with these fire polish beads that they gave us. They gave us, there's 50 on this strand right here. So yeah, so these are the earrings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have a lot more coming up this week. I hope everybody had a good Easter or Passover. And we're getting into spring, so I'm excited about this. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of this and if you'd make these earrings or not. Like I said, $2 off dollar bead box with them, BN Jewelry 2. And somebody had asked before, I not only get the dollar bead box, which is $19.50 a month, but I also get the dollar bead bag, which is $8 a month. So you get 8 fire polish strands for $8, or you can get it one time for $10. But I love the fire polish beads. 8 strands for $8. You can make a lot of jewelry with those 8 strands. So I hope you enjoyed this. And stay tuned. I've got another video coming up after this. And you have a great day. Don't forget to share my videos, subscribe, and like this video. It really helps the algorithms. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.